Imagine driving down the highway, sun shining bright, when suddenly a pebble strikes your windshield. You hear that dreaded crack and your heart sinks. What do? Don't panic, Mid-Cities Auto Glass has got you covered. We're the trusted experts serving Addison, Carrollton, North Dallas, and surrounding areas. At Mid-Cities Auto Glass, we live and breathe auto glass repair and replacement. Whether it's a small chip or a massive crack, our skilled technicians can work their magic. For minor damages, we use advanced techniques to seamlessly restore your windshield, side windows, or rear glass. It's like that chip or crack never happened. But if the damage is beyond repair, no worries. We've got your back with top-quality replacements. We partner with major manufacturers to ensure a perfect fit and proper seal every time. Safety first. When it comes to your windshield, we take it seriously. Let our pros handle repairs, replacements, and even tinting for reduced glare and ultimate visibility. Your side windows, back glass, and door glass are just as important. We'll replace any damaged glass quickly and efficiently, keeping your vehicle secure, comfortable, and looking its best. From our family to yours, Mid-Cities Auto Glass promises quality work, prompt service, and fair pricing. So don't let auto glass damages shatter your day. Let us make it right. Call us or visit our website today to experience the Mid-Cities Auto Glass difference.